a really fun little etude. Again, remember this exercise, just like the first one, requires more precision than force. You don't need to use force to play double stops, but you do need precision. Use the open strings to check your pitch and intonation and adjust it if necessary. Just remember, first three notes in the beginning are kind of detached, but the rest are legato. So you need to learn how to play double stops both detached, marcato, and also legato, and they both need to sound good. Another little trick you may want to consider is when you're playing, move the elbow inward as much as possible to help you reach with your left hand, with your left hand fingers further and more accurately. This is a trick that many people neglect when they play in double stops, but it really helps. So just a little bonus for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.